Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. If you're looking for a bomb, silky, straight, long, comfortable, glueless wig, you came to the right place. Today's hair sponsor is AliGrace. Before I even did sponsored hair reviews, I reviewed their bundles and I made them into wigs. This was so many years ago, back in the day, non-sponsored. Today's review is sponsored, but of course my reviews are always 100% honest. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 6x5 glueless wear and go ready to wear PPB wig, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
Of course, like always, let's try her on without any lace tint. As you can see, this cap does have the C-curve ear tab, so we love that because your ear is going to fit nicely in this section here.
I said that I needed you like a late night, someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt.
Okay, nice. It's the only thing that I think needs cutting on the lace. Okay, and if you want to wear her on a side part, you can, or a middle part. We're gonna do middle part today. I like my wigs to be bone straight. For the front section, I'm gonna spray some of this lace spray, not to secure the lace, but to basically give this area a little lift. Make sure it doesn't stick.
'Cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me?
See what we're going for? I'm lifting it up because I don't want it to mold to my head. I like that better without the hot comb marks. Okay, push it back.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good.
Don't forget to comb that hair back.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me.
Here we're gonna get some powder that looks like scalp and clean up. Oof, my angle is so off.
See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice.
That looks good.
You, I know how to make me feel right.
This is very silky hair, so I don't think it needs much straightening. I'm just being extra.
Don't be late, I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't even know flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
This hair is so soft. It's probably one of the softest. Woo, silky, Anna.
Touching good, show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
They did all the hard work for us. We didn't really have to do much for this install. All I did was put her on and push the hairs back, define the part, and sleek her down. Look at how silky. Look. This is the density 180%. The density is true to 180%. This is what the ends look like, guys. So what I would do, I would just take it right here and just give it a little chop. Instantly, that looks so much better. So that's what I would recommend doing. I'm gonna switch my chair because this one's a little low. After the chop, this is what she looks like. It's still given longer than 24 inch. So we're not losing anything. Really, we're still gaining because she is definitely longer than stretched length. Yeah. Sometimes that's all you gotta do is do a little snip snip, right? Now I love, 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 love it. It's really gonna make that density look like it claims to be 180%. That little scraggly bit at the end, we don't need it. Okay, you guys could go ahead and just snip that for us. I'm gonna speak for all of us when I say this. We won't mind, okay? And then of course, it's still 100% glueless. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. If there's a discount code, don't forget to use that before you go. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, if you found it helpful. Leave a comment and let me know your thoughts on this review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss out on future uploads and giveaways that I do. Bye guys!